This is so fun! We're gonna be awesome, Mayor Garth.
I hope so.
Hey, Oolie! Are you excited to learn to fly a turbo giz kite?
Yes!
Oolie Pom, what if I can't do it? Aw, don't be nervous. I'm here to help, and I guarantee you will all be flying by the end of the lesson.
Oh, this is a really lovely class, Alva. Thank you for encouraging me to sign up.
I'm here. You can start now.
We've already started, Humble Bluff. You're late. As I was saying, I've never had a student who couldn't learn to fly a turbo giz kite.
There's always a first time. Hey, Mayor Garth, imagine how embarrassing it would be if you were the only student she couldn't help.
First, I'm going to show you how to get your giz kite up into the sky.
Wow!
Easy peasy. Now I want you all to give it a try, just like I did.
Yeah! Wow! Some of these are just naturals, and some are not, huh, Mayor Garth?
Good try, Alva.
I think I need to practice. Your turn next.
Go, Mayor Garth.
You don't look foolish at all.
Good effort, Mayor Garth. Let me help you.
Thanks, Alva.
Let's spread out and practice.
It was not embarrassing at all. You are such a strong Oolie, not giving up when it clearly doesn't come easily to you.
Up, down. Keep practicing, Mayor Garth.
At least you're good at being a mayor, right? Skaza, get down here.
What's going on? We're filming so we can all enjoy watching and laughing. But I don't like that.
Are you okay, Mayor Garth? What are the trolls doing?
We're encouraging him.
I can never act the way he does. Putting myself out there for people to see me fail. I don't know what's going on, Alva. They're not saying mean things, but I don't feel good when I hear them.
Oh, Mayor Garth. Sometimes people come right out and say mean things. And sometimes what they say sounds nice, but it makes you feel worse, not better. This must feel terrible for you.
It does. I think I want to stop. I'm making a fool of myself.
You need to ignore the comments that make you feel bad and listen to the ones that make you feel good. Also, we need to tell Oolie Pom what's going on.
That's okay, Alva. I heard it all. Not cool, trolls. You shouldn't film Mayor Garth if he doesn't want to be filmed. Stop bullying him, or Humble Bluff will have to leave my class.
Fine, we'll stop.
They're trying to ruin our fun.
Mayor Garth, I've just helped another Oolie to fly their giz kite. And you are so close to flying too. If you would only stop worrying about others and focus on yourself.
I think I know who can help. Hi, Blobbos.
I can't see Mayor Garth.
Move out of the way.
Thanks for helping, Blobbos.
The brothers say they totally believe Mayor Garth can fly a giz kite.
We all do.
Thank you all. But Pom's right. I need to focus and do this for myself. Yes!
Oh no!
I'm flying it! This is so much fun.
And now you're twisting, rolling, dropping, whirlpooling, and waving hello or hello.